A study at the Iowa State University, covering 130,000 patients worldwide, showed that exposure to violent video games results in more aggressive and less caring kids. If we know that these games and programs are going to result in more aggressive behavior, why are we letting our children play with them? Dr. Nicholas Kardaras is an expert in addiction rehabilitation and the author of a book that helped me focus on the problems discussed in this program. It's titled Glow Kids: How Screen Addiction is Hijacking Our Kids and How to Break the Trance.
Well, we know that people can have behavioral addictions, and we've known that for a long time. As an addiction specialist, I started seeing it in my work with adolescents in school districts. I started seeing, wow, this young man or this young woman seems to really have all the clinical diagnostic criteria of substance addiction. And so, yeah, I was one of the people that coined digital heroin because it became so severe, and some of the cases that I saw were so severe that there was no difference between substance addiction and screen addiction. Well, so television is passive stimulation. You would sit and you would watch Gilligan's Island or you'd watch Starsky and Hutch, and the screen, you were a viewer of the experience. Modern digital experiences are immersive and interactive. So the immersive and interactive effect amplify whatever effect that they have on you, whether it's a clinical effect or a neurobiological effect, and the ubiquity of it. So that 24-inch black and white rabbit-eared TV set you couldn't really put in your back pocket. So now I have this portable, constant immersive device, and so the immersive aspect of it makes it much more dopaminergic, so it raises my dopamine levels quite a bit more than television does, and it makes it more compulsing and lends itself more to escapism as well. One of the reasons why depression rates have spiked is because the digital world has isolated us. Rather than bringing us closer together, it's created a synthetic connection, and really we're much more atomized than we've ever been.